That's a cream puff right there. What do you think?
It doesn't look bad. I mean, what you're gonna find when you go into it, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure if the plugs are out, these cylinders are shot. Oh, that's dirty. Do that one.
Alright.
Should check for spark, huh? Oh yeah. The mascot. I could look in there. I got that little Android scope. I guess fire that thing up. Noise. See that? It did hit, didn't it? Very power sports. Oh.
Don't tear the boot now.
That boot's hardened up so much, see it? It's not. There.
She didn't want to let it go.
I guess not. Holy fuck. God, that's tight.
Jump.
Well, that sucks. Spidey's gonna go.
It looks like that's what's holding it up right there.
Bet you if we're on a lift, we could have seen what was holding it.
Well, move the freaking bike and take that off.
Yeah, you're right.
And scratch a chrome.
Easy, Bobby. You clean it up while it's down now.
That's pretty easy the way they put this together, huh?
Yeah.
It's got an oil washer on it too, though. Put that in the valve cover and all the head shit. Yummy.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
These don't seem that tight either. I didn't either. Oh. Dowel. I guess F means front. But oh, give me a marker. I'm gonna put number 1 on it. Talking about.
That's Chris.
Is it? Don't drop that dowel down the motor. That'd be a fucking bitch to snake out, wouldn't it? What's up?
Don't worry. Be happy.
Oh no, I know. I'm just saying.
Oh.
Yeah.
Stuck here. Go down. Oh, you're going out that way. Oh, grab that, Andrew.
Watch the end things fall off there. The bearings.
You want a zip tie?
There you go. That's a good idea. I usually put like a little piece of wire or rope, but this is better. I gotta figure it. Give me another zip tie. No more bolts, right?
I don't see any.
Grab me the, I think there's a rubber mallet in the very top of that box. And I nod my head, you hit it. Like the cartoons. Something's holding this side.
One more bolt. We all missed it. I was looking at the top here.
Can't rely on you guys for nothing. I'll never remember where all these go now.
I know you won't. That's why I was wondering how you're going to do this.
Yeah, there's only two super long and that short one. Here it comes. Oh, there's not enough room here.
Yeah. Whole bracket. Whole bracket.
Is there a bracket on there?
Yeah, the bracket here.
Oh. There. Now I need another zip tie.
No.
There. Now it's going to come off.
Right there.
Wow. That is dumb. I guess we'll have to pull all these studs. Grab me the vice grips. Give me a double nut, actually. 2 nuts. I'll stick them on there.
Oh, smart choice. I'll live with it. Oh, well.
Last one. Now for the moment of truth. Ready? Oh, here. Stick them in there. Now we'll make it past the tension, alright?
What do you got there?
What's that?
Piece of rubber.
Oh, that's an O-ring for one of these things, right? Kind of light in there. Let's see. Yeah, oh yeah, it's bent. Look at it. Oh yeah. Holy fuck. That thing is really bent.
The other side.
Well, the other side had compression, but
I know, but
yeah, that's
show
flat.
the difference on camera.
Grab that hammer so we could tap it loose.
He's straight fucking. He's like already there. I don't want to fucking put my finger behind it and get that shit caught. Yeah. Hold on, calm down.
Settle down, settle down.
Nice. All the washing and stuff. Yeah.
She bent. Look at it. That little whack is moving it that much. Look at that. It's pretty damn close, huh?
Yeah. Wow.
It's not perfect yet, but it's pretty fucking close.
This one's close.
Wow, that's like 1/1000ths out. Think we can get it?
Yeah.
One more tap. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that.
That looks like that. What? Send it. Close, man. Send it.
She good. I mean, the best way to do it would be a leak test. Put a plug in it and put liquid in it. Oh, I think that might be it right there.
Spread them, Chris.
Spread them.
Yeah, I gotta hold the chain up. So.
That's not right. It's got to go one more over.
Fuck that thing, man. You guys are crazy.
No.
That nasty one.
Why would you kill him? Spiders are friends.
Yeah, they get the bugs. All right, yeah. That's fucking mint right there.
That's the
This is what's
I
that
don't know.
say?
I had a wolf
Literally
spider in
do
my
it for
room,
you.
and I was like, I can't do it.
That's number
Like, it's
2,
just- it's
so
too
that goes
big.
that way.
Two's over there.
And then I gotta put that.
I don't want spiders around my guinea pig. You know?
And what are you gonna do if it runs rough? Take it all back apart?
Yeah.
I'll order a valve and take it apart.
This guy.
No, 9.
I
I told you he tightened this up too much.
You told me a lot of things.
Yeah, but you don't listen. Now I need a.
I listen to everything. I don't know what you're
I know.
talking about.
Still looks tight on it. Oh, there we go. I see it now. I'm ready.
That's finger tight.
This thing's gonna fire right up.
This is touching
There,
that.
like that. Look, boom.
Oh.
Do
No.
you want me to fucking show you everything?
Well, look
That's
out.
why you're here,
You
right?
gotta go right there. Hold it right there. That's what you're here for.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I didn't even know how to do this on my own fucking dirt bike. But here I am doing it here.
Well, you're learning.
Yeah, learning. Yeah, but I was wondering how the hell that worked.
That's how it works.
See how it works now? You understand?
Yeah, thanks
Got
for
it?
showing me.
No problem.
Good thing you're here. Save the day.
All my buddies drink enough for them to get drunk for me, so.
I've been last year,
Oh,
and
Could be the wash underneath
oh,
that.
she's dirty.
Filthy.
Buddy, we got Peter doing body work.
fuck these.
I would go 137. I think that's all that's in here.
Look at that. They actually have never been out of there. What would it have? 1,200 miles? Look at that. We could have done this whole job with those. 1,263 miles. Somebody said the carburetors for these are like freaking $35 on eBay or something. I don't believe it.
Might be. Looks like a lot better.
Oh yeah, it does. How the fuck am I gonna hold that in there now? This thing's gonna just keep popping out. What if I put a tie wrap around this and then pulled it down to this? You think we'll bring it back from the dead? Should have took a picture of it laying on the ground.
Nothing in there. Well,
There's not even air filter in there?
no.
Maybe that's how it happened.
Ah, yep. That's how it happened. Just like I said, we better look so we don't suck anything up and have it fucking come in, open, hold that valve open.
Yeah,
Bang!
blowing all that through.
Bingo. So someone had that off and cleaned it after they realized what happened, huh? Spark plugs and muffler. Oh, I got plugs that'll work. I don't think they're too long. Yep. Right? They're not probably too long. They're usually that long, aren't they? This one's for the passenger peg. Is that tank that bad? That's gonna have to be dumped out for sure, huh? You see why that got in there, don't you? The water?
Still got gas, full tank gas.
Water
Still
too,
burn
though.
that shit.
Flip that over. There's a hole right through it.
Oh no, I know there's a hole in that.
And the metal piece that they bashed out is inside the tank. Right.
Smells like gas.
It smells like ass.
Gas.
I think you should turn it over dry once just to see if those spark plugs are going to hit before you put gas all up in it and get it all done.
Yeah. Oh, you get right up in there.
She good. There go nothing.
Alrighty. I hear something. Oh, I hear something.
Alright, the plugs were a tad too long, and it closed the electrodes. Even got a little fire in the air box, but I didn't get it on camera. Alright, ready? Fucking spark plug the whole time.
There she is.
That thing is sick.
You run, boy.
You gotta do a video for beat. Yeah, needs a little bit of carb work.
Tell her now.
Sell her the way it is.
That might be good.
It's charging.
But yeah, the filming is good. That screen can't be.
Looking good.
My name is. You like violence?
1080.
It's one of my items.